Hi guys, today I will unbox and demo this Carwash Cannon soap foam blaster. So the steps are here. So spray on, rinse off, then it's amazing. Let's see if this one is working well. So this one is using only the garden hose. It's not using any water blaster or pressure washer. Okay. So the foam will look like this. Yeah. Okay, I open this now so you can see the parts inside. So I have removed the tape. So there's a manual. So the parts are here and some instructions how to assemble. And there's also different dilution ratio setting. Okay, then here is the container. And what else here? Okay, just remove everything. Okay, now here is the container with the mixer, and this one is the quick connect attachment for the sprayer. So to connect this one, so you need to move this, pull a little bit, then like that, then it's locked. Then this one is the trigger. So if you want a continuous flow, then you should place this one there. Okay, and this portion goes to your garden hose. Okay, then at the other end there's a this is the nozzle, foam nozzle. So you can see this one is a you have the option like horizontal or vertical spray. Then you can just put it like this. Yeah, then for the setting you have a 0 for water only, then so different intensity. So 1, 2, I think this is up to 5, 4. Then this one is 5. This is most soap being used. For the soup, so this is the level where you put the soap or the car wash soap. Don't use any dishwasher soap or any strong detergent like a washing machine soap. Just use the one intended for the car. And see, there's filter here as well. Then there's also another nozzle here option. I will try this one as well later on and see what will be the result. So just remove this one, then just plug this in here. Maybe down or up, I don't know. Okay, for this demo I will use the Armor All Ultra Shine Wash and Wax, because I've seen this one is compatible with the foam cannon, unlike other car wash soap without this symbol. So let's see if this one is really foamy. Okay, we have to put some soap here up to this level. Let's open this one. Just remove this paper. Okay. Now it's on the right level. Just close this one and put some water Probably just warm water. Just a little bit of warm water. Until it's full. Probably this one, the right level, and close. Then let's go outside. Just mix it a little bit, but don't shake it so it will not form a bubble. Okay, try first with water. Attach this one. Okay, then first try number 5. So that's number 5. Then try number 4. Three. Almost the same. Then 2. Then 1. Okay, before I forget this one, I need to demo the other nozzle as well. So the other nozzle. Let's see. Okay. That is number 1. Then try number 5. Maximum. Four. Oh, 5. I think the other nozzle is better with the foamy. Put this back. Okay, continue. Okay, I have washed the whole car, so I have rinsed it. But this is not really a touchless washing. I also need to agitate the soap with the brush and then rinse. Okay, so that's it. So thank you for watching.